Here are 5 font pairings for you to try out on your next project. Number 1, we have Anton and Luxurious Script. These are 2 of my absolute most favorite fonts, and it just so happens that when you put them together, they get even better. This gives me a very minimalistic streetwear vibe that's just really hard to beat. Any merch utilizing these 2 fonts, I think, is just an easy win, and I've already seen a lot of other merch out there that utilizes fonts similar to these and perform really, really well. I did an entire year's worth of young adult ministry, designs, posters, print, social media, utilizing these 2 fonts, and it crushed. Keeping it moving with number 2, we have Adventure 07 and Adventure 05. Not really hard to wonder why 2 fonts in the same pack go so well together. These fonts have a very unique hand-drawn feel and are perfect for any sort of vintage or earthy, outdoorsy sort of branding or project. If you want to get experimental, try using Adventure 07 in all caps. Very eye-catchy, very trendy, and will definitely make your design stand out from all the rest. Okay, number 3, we've got Carattere Archivo. I actually scrolled past this script font many times looking for something else. I never really realized how underrated it was. The capital letters in this font are just wonderful and artistic, specifically the uppercase A. I mean, look at this A. Are you kidding me? So sick. Anyway, I thought it would be super fun to pair this script font with a more robust and web design looking sans serif. I can imagine this looking really good on a cocktail menu. Drew and I love finding new cocktail bars in our area, and we both absolutely love when the design of the menus are super cool. It's almost like the design of the menu has the power to invite you to try something that you might not normally try. Number 4, we have Bricolage, Grotesque, and Lora. This actually has the potential to be my favorite combo in this video. I've recently fallen in love with these ink trap fonts. If you don't know what that is, they are fonts that utilize these dips and cuts in the connections in the letters. In older forms of printing, the type used would utilize ink traps for when the water and the ink inevitably pulled together. This would help ensure that there weren't any issues with readability or smudging. Today, that's not really as much of an issue with how accurate printers are, but these ink trap fonts have become wildly popular, specifically in web design and quite a bit of branding. I went a little bit against the grain and chose Lora as the second font in this combination. Lora is a super clean serif font, very 90s looking. I really can imagine these fonts looking super good on a website. I even mocked up a fake landing page with these fonts to see what it looked like and really loved it. Lastly, we have Krisha and Familigen Grotesque. Loads and loads of character here with these fonts. I recently found Krisha when I was looking for some other condensed font, and I've oftentimes found that it's kind of hard to find fun looking condensed fonts that don't have any issues with legibility, but this font is wonderful. If you've seen some of the other videos on the channel, you know that I love Familigen Grotesque. Not really a surprise there. Just the right mix of professional, fun, and trendy, and I think together, these 2 fonts are a lethal combination. I immediately imagined these mocked up on some sort of like fun, organic soda brand, and I wouldn't be surprised if Krisha was already used in plenty of branding. There you go, that's 5 trendy font pairings for you to try out on your next project. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite, and maybe comment one of your own favorite combinations so that I can try them out. Maybe they'll make it in the next video. Make sure to give us a like and check out some of the other videos here on the channel, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.